My freaking goodness, y'all. It's 30 on Thursday in Texas. Holy God. It doesn't look 30, but holy shit. That wind, buddy. Woo! Alright, so basically, today, I have some Camber arms. I'm gonna attempt not to catch hypothermia in the act, but we're gonna try and put those things on, alright? You see that angle though? I'm pretty flat right now, I'll be honest. There you go, see? Hey, now I'm kitted out, alright? These utility gloves. I got the knuckle buster on there too, so just in case, you know what I mean? Here's what we're rocking with. Oh, here it is. This is what we've all been waiting for, okay? Shout out to the Pops. Merry Christmas, everyone. Oh, man. Ooh! That echoes. Oh, shit. Look at that. Come on now. Come on now. Look at that. That's... Make it work, you know what I mean? Ooh, don't, we're gonna blind someone. I'm sorry, I apologize. This is beauty. Now, they're not just pretty, okay? These are obviously very strong freaking parts, okay? And the last time I bought Camber arms was for the 97 Civic. Those were $15 off eBay, okay? So it's pretty exciting to see real parts going on my cars now. You know, BC Race coilovers are at the Skunk2. So, and more to come, you know what I mean? More to come in the future. But jack up Sabrina, get the wheels off, and get the Camber arms off, because it's literally three bolts. So let's make it happen. This is what we're working with here. This is one big solid piece of metal there. Okay, look at that. That's all we're doing, y'all. Check it out. Not too shabs, eh? You got look up in there, so you can see where that bolt's at. Bam. Look at that. Pretty easy, huh, y'all? We'll just crack this one. Actually, no. We'll crack those first. Those back ones. And then do this one. And we'll pull it off. Put them next to each other. And see what we can do measurement-wise. Cool. Ooh, love that. Love the 2013 vibes and not the 80s. It's good. Look at that. That sounds bum. Oh, fuck. Yeah, let's get this out of here. I'm a little confused because this goes sideways, this goes up and down. You see what I'm saying? All right, look at that. That freaking beauty up in there. It's a little dirty now, honestly, sadly enough, but look at how it works with the BCs. Ooh, it's looking hot back here. So, if you remember, this was a problem, okay? It was facing up and down, right? So, I had to do a little custom work here, and I'll show you how to do that on this other one. You see how the new one's set with this like this, right? And you see the old one, it's sideways, okay? So, that doesn't work, obviously, because it goes up like that on the unibody in there, right? Cool. And this, it would be sitting like so it doesn't work. So I spotted it had these little C-rings, or I forgot exactly what you call it, but it's got the C-rings, right? And I got me one of them damn tools. So make sure to get you one of them C-ring plier set things. And that's how I did it. So get it on there, and then I spread them and bring it up so it gets off the point. Okay, so now it's on the actual bar itself. It's on this thing, not that anymore. Oh yeah, both metals are hanging. So once you get there, now you want it flat. So get your two screwdrivers, stick them through the holes, okay, and you flatten her out. You hit the twist button. There we go. Look at that. Bam. And now she is sideways. And then what I did was I put it up in there, made sure it was the right angle, perfect, you know what I mean, to go to the knuckle on this one, and then I put the C-rings back, and you call it a day. And I don't really want to go to a zero camber. I like the way camber feels on the rear of these cars. It's like, I can make a whole video on camber, honestly, but definitely after I do this, when it's straightened out, I'll tell the difference. A little bit of camber never hurt in the rear on the Civics. Never hurt. Let me give you a quick idea. Okay? This is why I like camber in the rear. Not negative fucking 5, okay? I'm talking like 3, 2, you know what I mean? Track car stuff, because when you turn hard, okay, it throws all your weight like that, cool? And when it's flat, it's gonna like fold over like that, cool? When you're going around turns, like, but if you have a little camber, it sits perfectly flat around the turn, okay? If you know camber, you know that, but that's why I like a little bit of camber in the rear. But the downside is high speed stability. Like, I'll be on the highway, just go like that, and the rear kind of does a little shimmy. It's kind of sketchy, I'm not gonna lie. And in the rain, of course, it's a little slickier in the back. I'll make a whole video on camber, how about that? Anyways, back to this. Sweet, sweet. Both sides are in now. On the passenger side, I recommend taking off your axle back, because the bolts are literally exactly over it. I was able to do it without it, but if you want to be 100% confident, I'm only 99% confident, so this side, fucking hell. She's looking dirty over here. No, clean it off, clean it off. There we go, more like it. All right. Woo. It's looking pretty fucking sick, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Look at that. Ooh. Again, big thanks to my dad. He ended up getting these for me for Christmas. I told him that was the next thing I'm getting. So there it is. And I gave him a black set and this set. And I think he chose wisely. You know what I mean? Woo. All right. So now it is time to get her shoes back on and see how she sits. I gotta go drive around the block just to let it settle in. Wow, that is that's quite the poke, you know what I mean? So here's the consensus, right? First off, when I hit driveways and stuff, this rubs the fuck, okay? It rubs like crazy. I haven't heard those noises since I first lowered it, when I slammed it, you know, or with the spacers, you know what I mean? So there's that, gotta get rid of that. I gotta put some negative camber. It's positive, y'all. This side looks positive, honestly, and this side looks just about right. But it is still poking, so you can actually see already. You can see where it's grabbing some of the inner fender. Holy shit. So I had to fix that real quick. You can see, look at that. It's already like smoothing it out off of like touching twice. It only touched like twice. This side didn't really happen because it's positive, so it hits the damn tread. All right, so I got to get back down there, unfortunately. All right, attempt number 2. Check this out. So it's definitely pretty fucking good. All right, that's like actually literally perfect track stance. Okay, you hit it from this angle, right? You can tell that's like planted looking, you know what I mean? Like that, it means business, okay? But the problem is, okay, well, this side looks good too. This side's got actually a little bit, tiny bit more camber, but let's be honest here. It still fucking rubs like a maniac, all right? Every time I hit a bump or driveway, it's still dibbing up in there. So unfortunately, I'm probably gonna have to put the camber probably very similar to how it was. Obviously a little bit less, and as soon as it's not rubbing, that's when I'm done for now. And I'll have to roll my fenders soon, y'all. It's gonna have to happen, all right? Because I want that track stance, and I can't have it rubbing because, like I've mentioned before, I drive this thing over 100 miles a day, and it ain't all smooth driving, y'all. I go to some of the bum areas where the roads are like a damn off-road course, you know what I mean? Like, actually, this isn't even a joke, off-road courses out here. So yeah, let's add some negative camber. Feels pretty fucking stable, man. Shit feels good. I'm not gonna lie. I can actually tell the difference. Oh, racing clothes on again. Sabrina's got 103,000 miles now. She's vibing. She's vibing. I can actually tell the difference, y'all. And I'm probably thinking I'm cap, you know what I mean? But not even just like the camber angle, but the stiffness. I can actually feel the stiffness to the rear end that I didn't feel before, which makes sense. I mean, I guess those parts are fucking way stiffer than the factory shit. It's like 2 metal pieces like that. That's the stock one, and this is like one solid fucking beam. You know what I mean? You saw it. Yes, sir. God, this thing feels good, man. All right, let's show this side. Bam, you can see it from right there. It's got a little bit of camber. That might still be a little less. Maybe, I don't know, man. I have no idea. And then this side is rocking about the same. See, that's not bad. You know what I mean? That's not any reckless camber. I think it is still less, okay? I'm gonna say it right now. I think it is a little bit less. Maybe not, I don't know. Oh man, so yeah. I'm excited. I'm really excited when I get to straighten it out, because I want it to be just a boxy little angry looking Honda, you know what I mean? But pretty at the same time. That's kind of the goal with Sabrina. So we'll see. Of course, I gotta track it. I want to track this year, so I gotta see what it feels like on the track as well. But like I dive this thing a lot, so it needs to be good. It needs to be not wearing tire as much as possible. And yeah. So yes, Skunk2 rear camber arms. You saw what you had to do to make it fit. I'll put the link for these in the description. Awesome. Still looking fabulous. That rear will get fixed soon. Hopefully you did enjoy. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you like them. Like I said, I have the link down there if you want them. And like I said, we got more videos coming, so let's do it. 2022. Now, I'm not saying it's gonna be fast. That's not what I'm saying. So don't quote me on that, all right? Don't put words in my mouth. But it'll happen, all right? Some stuff's gonna happen to Sabrina for sure this year, about ×5 compared to freaking before. All right, so it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be awesome. Let's make it happen. Cool. Happy New Year, everyone. Thank you for all the subscribers. Oh my God. I never made a video. I made a video, but I thought it was terrible. Saying thank you for 500 subscribers. Bless up. If I had 2 hands, I'd bless up, but thank you. I highly appreciate it. Even with me being slow, I'm still getting subscribers, and that just feels great. It means I'm making good stuff. So I'm gonna just keep doing it, keep being me, and hopefully you keep liking and subscribing and following the channel, following me, the car, and learning some things on the way. Thank you. You have a great one, and I'll see you in the next. Peace.